So today in this video it's going to be a kind of chit-chatty kind of thing. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, so I thought I would do one today because something just fell off my camera. I wanted to do one because I have a new microphone which I'm going to try and use for my recordings. It's a Blue Yeti Nano. I have it kind of set up here, and I'm doing it via this, which is a little voice recorder kind of thing, but I have it so it's hooked up to the microphone itself, so I'm hoping that it sounds half decent at least. I don't know. But we will see how we get on, and if I can sort it out in some way. So yeah, I just wanted to do a kind of chit-chatty kind of video. It won't be very good because I tried to do a video like not that long ago and I just ended up, I don't know, just rambling and not really knowing what I was talking about. And I think like not talking to people in general has kind of made my mind just go to absolute mush. You know, it just, yeah, it's not fun. So today I actually went to get my eyes tested, and it's literally the first time I've gone to get my eyes tested in a good few years, I'd say. And I don't know if I'm the only one, but my anxiety gets the better of me with stuff like this, like appointments, to see like doctors and stuff. I've not been to see a doctor in absolutely ages. And as I said, I've not been to get my eyes tested in a few years, and I really should have. So I booked it really early in the morning at like 8:15 in the morning, just because I know at that time it's going to be quiet and there's going to be less people around. And thankfully it was very quiet and it all went perfectly fine. Like, I don't know why I get so panicky about stupid stuff that other people seem fine with. Like, I know that's part of anxiety, but I don't know, as I'm getting older it's just getting worse, where like I can't, I don't know, I find it hard to go to appointments where something might be wrong, where like, you know, you go to a doctor, something might be wrong with you, so I don't go. I put off getting an eye test because something might be wrong. But what was I saying? Yeah, the eye test was fine. The lady was lovely that did it. There was absolutely no issues whatsoever. My eyes are fine. My prescription hasn't changed that much, even though it has been a few years since I've had my eye test. And thankfully I'd like looked online to see what glasses I wanted, so I literally just went in, put them on, was like, yep, them, and then there's like buy one get one free on the glasses or whatever. Tried another pair on, yep, they're fine, that's it. So yeah, I have 2 new pairs of glasses. I love them as well. They're like, one of them is like bigger than these, and they're pink and black, and the other pair are teal and black. Kind of a bit more shaped like this one, but a little bit bigger. But yeah, they're both really nice. Like, I was trying to get like branded ones, where I'm thinking I don't really wear my glasses enough to get branded ones, because these ones are Vivienne Westwood, but I've literally had these for probably about 12 years or something. Because like the last time I had my eyes tested, they said that it was literally only a very minor difference then, so I could just carry on wearing my normal glasses. But these are now scratched, so that's why I needed to get new ones anyway. So yeah, I'm getting new glasses. I might do a reveal video. So, oh yeah, I forgot to mention my hair. My hair's different. This is my actual hair, not my wig, as I have been appearing with recently. I do need to dye the purple again. The purple didn't take that well. It kind of ended up going a little bit silver. in places, not everywhere. The pink is quite nice. The pink is a really, really nice shade. Like, I don't think I've had a pink this colour before. But yeah, the the purple definitely needs touching up again. These are the Lunar Tides brand. I've not used Lunar Tides before. And yeah, I'm not overly impressed with it. I do prefer the Colour Freedom ones. They offer a lot more vibrant colour, and they last for ages as well, and you get them in big kind of tub thing, no, not tubs, little tubes, and they last for ages. I've still got loads like just around the house that I haven't used yet, so I'll probably re-dye at least the purple, definitely the purple. The pink I probably will do, because I feel like this won't last that long because it is quite a pastel colour, but I'm just happy that I don't have roots anymore, because my roots were getting absolutely out of control. I mean, it looks like I've got roots because the purple hasn't taken properly on them, but they have been bleached and it's just decided that it doesn't really want to take on some parts of my hair. But yes, that's my hair. It's tied back, so it's really long now. Like, I can't actually believe how long it is. Ooh, I forgot that I had this. I just popped it down over there and didn't pick it up. I went to McDonald's for my breakfast. I haven't had a McDonald's breakfast in... I haven't had a McDonald's in ages. I just really wanted a strawberry lemonade. So... oh, it tastes so good. Strawberry lemonade. It's a winner. So, what else happened? The ice hockey is back, which I am so happy about, because ice hockey, hello. So, yeah, the league that I follow has decided that it's doing a 5-week tournament where 4 teams out of the 9, I think there are now, are taking part in a 5-week tournament. Exactly what I said. And thankfully one of those teams is the Sheffield Steelers, so I was so happy with the fact that my team, my wonderful team, is taking part in it. But obviously nobody can be there yet. It's all taking place in Nottingham, so that kind of sucks. But we can watch it all on stream, which is awesome. We've had 2 games so far. We won 1, lost 1. We're playing again tonight against Coventry. So, fingers crossed. Our starting goalie got injured in the first match, like a period and a half into the game. So, yeah, not the best start to the old Elite Series, but it is what it is. It's basically a warm-up for the Team GB kind of thing, and, you know, to kind of give the coach chance to figure out who he wants in the team, which I think is very smart. You know, if you've got a chance to test out someone for 5 weeks before you commit to, you know, bringing them back for an entire season, I think that makes sense. But that's just me. Some people have got different opinions on that. Some people think that they should bring back the entirety of the squad from last year, despite the fact that there's no chance that he would sign them for the next season, if that makes sense. But yeah, I trust the coach. The coach has won us the Challenge Cup, and yeah, just generally awesome. So yeah, it is amazing to have the hockey back. I ordered a jersey for the series. It's not arrived yet. Apparently it's coming on Friday. That remains to be seen. So yeah, there's that. And what else? I'm going back to work on Monday, which I'm nervous about. Anxiety again. But yeah, it'll be amazing to see everyone again and, you know, get back to some sort of normality. But I don't know, we'll see. Oh, another thing that I wanted to talk about is the fact that I got my first vaccine. Like last week today I got it. So yeah, I've had that a week ago. yeah, I got it at Sheffield Arena, so that was really weird for me because obviously the Sheffield Steelers play at the Sheffield Arena, and I got to walk past the seats that I normally sit in, and I'm like, beloved seats, I will sit in you again one day. So that was weird, very, very weird, but it was nice to see the arena again, and you know, it was really well set out and thought out, and everyone was kept distanced and everything, and it was just really well done. But pulling into that arena again brought back some memories. It brought back just a longing to actually go and watch the hockey again in person. I really can't wait. For some reason I don't think it's going to be this year again. I can't see it. I can't see things going back to normal again by June. I know that they've been saying that, but I really, really can't see it happening. I can see us going back into another lockdown in June, never mind everything being opened up in June. But that's my personal opinion, because some people don't listen to the rules and don't do as they're supposed to be doing. You see all these YouTubers out partying and stuff without masks, and it's just like, just think of other people, please, for once in your lives. Anyway, the vaccine itself was fine to take. Like, I had no issues with it whatsoever. Just a little jab in the arm, and then the next 3 days I felt absolutely awful. I wasn't bad for like the first, like the day that I had it, and then up to going to sleep, but then waking up the next morning I didn't feel very well. Then the day after I felt worse. Then the day after I kind of started feeling a little bit better. Then the day after that I was fine. But it wasn't a nice experience, but it's worth it to get that protection. I'm booked again to get my second one in June, so yeah, it's not a nice experience to feel that ill, but it is worth it in the long run. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I've rambled on for a bit, and because I'm not used to speaking on camera as much anymore, I don't know what I'm talking about most of the time, so I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you all again hopefully soon. Yes. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to donate to my charity stream, which I'm doing, the link will be in the down bar. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all again in the next one. Adios.